We're gonna check out the biggest electronics market of the world. It's not even one market, it's a lot of markets behind each other, big buildings and shopping malls with all kinds of electronics. I'm very excited. That's one of the reasons I wanted to come to Shenzhen. You know, Shenzhen is the electronics capital of China. So big brands like DJI, Huawei, Xiaomi were born in this city. So it's very interesting to see how what offer they have and how they work here. And here is my taxi. Thank you. Every raining day in Shenzhen. It's crazy how it's raining since 2, 3 hours. So here we are at one part of the biggest electronic market of the freaking world. It's crazy. You see just everything, every cable, every little thing you can like buy and build by yourself, you can find here. Let me show you some examples. See batteries here. You see smaller batteries here. You see even, I don't know what that is, but very, very, very small um, parts of something. So is it cheaper to come here to buy?
Maybe I think it's cheaper
Yeah.
than
How much is this, for example?
20
20.
20
That's very cheap. It's 30 cents. But I have so much of them, so I don't need them. Oh, you got all types of earbuds. All types of earbuds, everything. Little phones, big phones. You got even this funny phones. Very nice. Hello. Crazy.
Beef between the Drake and the Kendrick, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Did you hear the last the
Song.
yeah,
Just
exactly
pick
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's
God's
try
Plan?
out God's Plan.
Okay.
Let's try out God. So I'm listening to Drake God's Plan on this fake iPhone earbuds,
Wait.
and let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
I'll be moving comments making trouble on me.
Okay, okay.
Can you put it more loud?
Okay.
Me.
Look, it got the image right.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. And then you can switch the mode, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's try it out.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That's a big difference now.
And
MacBook Pros. Um, there is everything, like literally everything that you can buy here. And here you can see wholesale, foreign trade wholesale. It says so. That's why a lot of people are standing here. Here you got film cassettes. Electronic Square. It's crazy. You see behind me, in front of me, left and right to me, a lot of big malls with different quality of goods. Some of them are real, some of them are fake. You can find everything here. And today is very rainy, so still there are many people here, but not as it used to be. And you see these giant malls. They have a lot of products, everything. Over there you see the original Apple Store, which is a bit sarcastic because you see the Apple Store over there and you can go to the mall over here and buy the fake Apple earpods. And also Shenzhen and China is a nation of electronic vehicles. You see a lot of cars, electro cars, but you also see electronic bikes like these ones, scooters, electronic scooters, a lot of them getting parked here.
这个是充电宝是吧？这个也是。
Drinking a Chinese tea. It's tasty. Cheers. It's good. And we are waiting for the product. She's a very nice seller, and we can't speak English, so that's why we communicate via the translator. I'm from Austria.
Oh, Austria.
Austria, Europe. No, Australia.
Austria.
Austria, yes. Germany, Switzerland,
这个表带啊，
and
你是一定要这个表带还是要浪琴？就是就可以弄到浪琴。不行，标型号都不一样。也有这个款的。
watches here, so that's why I think they switch watches. Like she gives her a watch and she gives her another one. That's what they do. Very interesting to be witnessing such a thing, right? Here you can buy the stickers. High quality, best quality, GQ. Here you can buy all of the stickers. HD. Oh, look at this, that's cute. Milk chocolate. And toast. And the national symbol of China, the panda bear. Very funny place here. Look at this. You got the Barbie, you got the ice cream, you got the baby pink, everything. And even more over there for the tablets. And you can buy high stock and then resell it. That's very funny. Look at this. Best music by the boss. Bin Fan Color. Got the best music. Thank you. Bye bye. You can buy a fake Prada logo. Look at this, they are assembling AirPod Pros cases with the Air Jordan Nike sneakers. Look at this. That's the Air Dior. They got even the Travis. And over there you have the other Nikes, the 350 Yeezy. Crazy. Here the phones got opened, reassembled, restructured, and sold again. And at the end of this walk, you see people working on the phones. This is where they assemble. Hello. The phones. Look what we got here. I paid hundreds for this. I should buy for you.
OK OK 的，
50. It's
我
too
整多一
late.
个
50 is very good price, but it's too late. I already paid 100 for them.
啊，我跟
耳机吗？试一下你配耳机吗？看一下。
买多一个送送朋友。
I bought one for my... Ah, thank you. I have already.
哦 ，Thank you，
Oh,
谢谢
thank you so much.
谢谢。
谢谢. Bye bye. You got. Thank you. Thanks. I have it. Already have. Is this device phone for open Max? Ah. You sell phones? Ah. You can buy an Apple Watch here. How much is it?
没什么，给你。
For only 180. That's crazy. Wow. That's very cheap. Good price.
啊，对。
Stacks of Pixel Pros. Yeah, are you ready? Trying out karaoke.
Wait, wait.
Very funny.
Yes, very funny. Can be. Wait.
喂
Wait, wait.
Yes.
It's very funny.
Yes.
In Europe, we don't sing so much karaoke as in Asia, but it's very interesting. I see so many people singing.
I don't. I can't sing. I
No?
sing very bad.
Miley Cyrus.
I think. I think. I think goodbye.
Oh, you sing Chinese music.
Chinese music. You think. You think.
I can sing. I can sing. Something I want it all. Some just wanna hang it all.
I sing better than the machine.
It ain't you.
Very funny.
Yes, very valid. Wait.
Wait. Hello. Hello. Very nice.
Yes.
Thank you.
Take it.
Thank you. Yeah, it's
It's
I'm not using it. It's just I'm not using it so much.
this is price.
It's very cheap. Yeah, it's good price.
Yes.
But I don't know what to do with it. I don't use it so much. I'm not using it. I'm just I don't know what to do with it.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's good for you. You sing
Okay.
good.
Okay. So, that's okay.
Funny thing. Look at this. One mall after the other. This is where you can get everything at almost any time in Shenzhen, from phones to laptops, digital equipment, all devices you can find on Amazon, you can see on AliExpress, you can buy on Shine. All of that is coming from this area, from this 8, 9, 10 big malls with levels full of products ready to sell to the world.